Login TikTok, how to create a TikTok account, easy solution. Now, if you want to log in or create a TikTok account, it's fairly simple to do so. First of all, you launch the TikTok app, right? Now, if you're not already logged in, let me just try to switch my account over here. I'll tap on add account right here. Now, it'll ask you to sign up, but before you sign up, if you already have an account, right, go to the bottom option that says already have an account, log in. You can log in using your phone, email, or username. Log in using your Facebook account or log in using your Google account. Whatever is comfortable for you, go ahead and then enter your phone number or your email address and username, tap on continue, and enter your password to log in. But in another case, if you do not have yet an account, you can sign up for TikTok using your phone number, using your email, or your Facebook account or Google account. So again, it depends upon what is more comfortable for you. If you want to continue using your email, you can select enter email address, enter the email that you want to use for your TikTok, tap on the continue button right here. It's going to send a verification code. After that, make sure to create a password. Once you create a password and tap on continue, you can fill in other necessary information and your TikTok account will be successfully created. That's all it takes for you to basically log in or create a TikTok account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.